we got the 158. The only 158 that they run in a day. Oh, it's not.
We had to run, didn't we? Yeah, but we made it onto Grand Central.
Yeah. As we were coming down the stairs, it was pulling into the path.
Yeah, it's a bit lively, but there you go. Run from 11 to 5, but we made it.
Safety information is located in the saloon. Please familiarise yourself with the information.
Scarborough line. Not at the moment, is it? We might get going.
Yeah, probably. It's getting going now.
Yeah, steady away.
I can't believe the run from the 158.
Right, it was tight. It was tight, wasn't it? Yeah. I mean, I always felt like we was going to make it.
Once again,
But when I saw the train coming, I was
join
like,
us in your 1323 Grand Central service to Central service will be calling
getting down the stairs. The train was only stopping. And I knew we'd have to let the passengers off first.
yeah, exactly. But it was a bit tight than you'd
Just
like.
hoping there was some passengers to let off.
Please also note the Grand
Time.
Central operator strict no smoking policy applying to all.
All the way around there, anyway, else sponsored up. What do you think? How fast we're going now, do you think? No?
About 72, 73 miles per hour.
Just a bit quicker than 70, that's the speed one. But yeah, when you can go now, it's nice smooth, right?
Yeah. I was wondering what you meant by the sidings.
Can you see it? Can you see it?
Here it is. There's the sidings.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I wonder if we stay on this like branch, like almost like a branch line on the side, isn't it? You know what I mean? Maybe we're going to stay on that all the way to Northallerton. So you can still 2 lines in the middle. Getting going now, we might move across, I don't know. What do you think?
I think we might stay on this one.
Yeah, all the way to Northallerton, I don't know.
I thought we were on the main line.
Yeah, well we are, but you see what I mean, middle 2 there.
Welcome to Northallerton. We've just got off this Grand Central, but we've been on since York. We stopped at Thirsk and then Northallerton. Goodbye.
And then what's on the other side?
6 TP, which you don't see very often.
No, 6 coach TPA, yeah. Should we go to the other platform and have a look what's coming then?
Yep.
Let's go.
Fast accelerating, isn't
No,
it?
I didn't know.
How do you get onto the...
You waving, Noah? Who's that then?
Grandad!
Let's go across the sea, shall we?
Grandad, do you get across here?
Yeah.
Daddy, I just saw a... When now?
Yeah.
There's a train about to come in on platform 2 at Northallerton, and Grandad's going to... We think this is the one Grandad's getting. It's going north to Northallerton, to Saltburn, and Grandad is getting it to
Yarm, I think you said. didn't you?
Yarm.
Yeah, and there is Grandad, look across there.
Yep.
Ready to get on, look at that.
Yep. And here's the train.
Oh, here we go. And there it is, Noah. It's a 6 coacher.
Another 6. 6.
That'll be why Grandad's getting on it, won't it? Because it's 6 coach, you can check plenty of tickets. See it, double orange light down there, look.
Yeah.
You see it, double orange light?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's Noah. And there's Grandad in that cab. That's Grandad. There you go. Grandad giving us a bit of a blast off, wasn't it? A bit of a send off. There we go.
There is an Azuma approaching platform 2, and there is an Azuma on platform 1.
Whoa. That was unbelievable.
There is now an Azuma approaching platform 2, but it does not stop here. That was fast.
It was fast, that one. Yeah, go.
The train on platform 2. That was also very fast.
Yeah, a bit too quick for me, these.
I hope you enjoyed my train trip to Northallerton, spotting all those trains. We're about to get the 1428 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Lime Street back to York. I hope you enjoyed it.